about the location, the support from the authorities, I guess, from the countryside, region side, and then local, right? We had also all the ingredients for a data center, land in quantities, cool water from the canal for cooling, for innovative cooling solutions. We had also power, right, at our disposal, because we use power, although we are very economical with the power use, we need a lot of it. We had also dark fiber coming into the site, or close to the site, and that's very important for us, right, to connect to the World Wide Web. And then also the political climate, the stability of the country and everything were all the facilitator.
The last count we had, it was 22 different nationalities working for us. So we have people from the local community. Mainly in my team, I have a lot of people coming from the local community, but Google is attracting a lot of people as well, and a lot of interest. So we have also people coming from abroad, and also the data center industry is not a common industry, and so we need to find some specialists that we don't have. But we more and more growing our own people to adapt to that climate.
We have room to expand. Hopefully we will expand, right, depending on business growing. We have also competition internally, right, because we have a second data center in Finland, right, a very impressive one as well, using seawater cooling. But that, yeah, we have planned to expand. We always look at possibility for expansion, right?
To be honest, also we are expanding actually. So we are building an expansion of our data center, and it's about to come live.